Hi, my name is Jamie Parrott. I'm president of MedResults Network, a volume buying network for aesthetic physicians and medical spas. As a company that works with key aesthetic industry manufacturers and vendors, as well as aesthetic providers, we present our industry trend analysis. In the early 2000s, laser hair removal was a core revenue center for medical spas who, at the time, were seen as sophisticated beauty salons. As more aesthetic medical technologies and products and procedures have become FDA approved, this is creating increased competition between vendors, which in turn has provided more alternatives for consumers. At the same time, we've really seen that the number of medical spas and aesthetic providers is increasing nationwide. Now there's really a crossover between the two groups, and the differences between medical spas and aesthetic physicians is really becoming less defined. We're also finding that large vendors such as Allergan and Valiant, and certainly new players to the industry like Nestle, are now taking action to consolidate the aesthetic industry because of this massive projected consumer growth. The increased competition at all levels of the industry is now forcing aesthetic providers to move towards more innovative sales techniques or more consultancy type sales. Existing patients, I think, are going to find that when they come in for recurring treatments such as laser hair removal or maintenance of fillers, they're going to traditionally be introduced to this new showroom environment. I think offices are going to start moving away from the traditional medical practice environment, and they're going to start introducing predictive software imaging and perhaps multimedia presentations on surgical procedures. This is all going to become a standard part of each visit. At MedResults Network, we feel that this is a huge benefit to the consumer simply because it's offering more innovative technologies and techniques, more procedures are going to become available, and it's going to be at a really competitive price to the consumer. It's also going to force physicians and medical spas to make better purchasing decisions on new products and services that they're going to introduce to their practices. It's also going to cause a lot of pressure, put a lot of pressure on medical spas and aesthetic physicians to be more innovative in how they manage and retain patients while still considering increasing volume and their margins. For more information on how you can obtain better pricing from top manufacturers in the aesthetic industry, please contact us at www.medresultsnetwork.com.